हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हो आप लोग? आई होप आप लोग बिल्कुल ठीक होंगे। आज का जो हमारा वीडियो है वो एक हॉल है, नायका हॉल। सो उससे पहले आई जस्ट वांटेड टू मेक अ स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट. So I have been making content from a month now. So people who feel that my content can really help them, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I am planning to do a lot of videos which would really be interesting to see. Apart from getting just hauls, or I am planning to do a lot of travel vlogs. I'm actually I've just now I've just shot a makeup video, so I'll be coming with a lot of interesting content for you guys. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And let's begin. So today I'm going to do a haul of Nykaa. So it's not that I've purchased all these items in the hot pink sale. I've been purchasing it from last 1 month as and when required, so I thought I'll also show it to you guys. I hope some of the products I've also started using, like maybe from a week, so I can also share some reviews. So mostly this haul is not only about makeup. I have purchased items also from Bath and Body Works directly and also from Nykaa, but the products which I've purchased from Bath and Body Works are also available on Nykaa, so you can purchase it from anywhere you want. Let's get started. So this is what I'm going to unpack today. So I'm going to begin with some candles that I've purchased from Bath and Body Works. So recently I have learned that मुझे candles बहुत पसंद है. I really like candles of Bath and Body Works. So I've started investing a lot in these candles. They're very nice, and this is first I've purchased this mango Mai Tai. I hope you can see. It's very nice. It's like mango. It's very sweet. It will just make your entire house smell like mango. It's really very pleasant. बहुत अच्छी है ये. अगर आप इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं तो इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. इसका एक्चुअली ओरिजिनल प्राइस 2600 है, but I have got it for 1039 rupees. So it is really a steal deal. It is very nice. The second candle I'm going to show you today is this Sunshine and Daffodils. I do not know if you can see it or not. It's fine. It smells like daffodil. If you've ever smelled daffodil in your life, then you will be able to relate to this. It was a new fragrance for me because I've never smelled daffodils. It's fine, but the problem with this is that I've received a broken candle container. So I am just trying to finish this off before it breaks completely. So it is actually, इसमें 3 weeks होते हैं, तो it easily आपको 40 minutes के लिए, 40 hours के लिए लास्ट कर सकती है. एंड एक्चुअली ये बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग कैंडल्स हैं, तो अगर आप इसको हाफ एन आवर या 15 मिनट्स या 20 मिनट्स जलाएंगे एंड देन उसके बाद इसको बंद कर देंगे तो भी बहुत अच्छी फ्रेगनेंस पूरे घर में फैल जाएगी. तो मेरा 2 BHK हाउस है और उसके लिए एक कैंडल फॉर हाफ एन आवर इज़ इनफ. द एंटायर रूम एंड हॉल में बहुत अच्छी फ्रेगनेंस हो जाती है इससे. So the next candle I'm going to show you today is this one. So I've purchased a total of 6 candles. I know मैं थोड़ी crazy हो गई थी. This is raspberry tangerine. So लगभग सारी कैंडल्स का प्राइस 2600 ही है, मगर मैंने ये सारी कैंडल्स सेल में ली है, तो मुझे अराउंड 1000 एक्चुअली मुझे 1039 की पड़ी है. एंड ऑल ऑफ देम आर लार्ज साइज 3 wick कैंडल्स एंड सबकी फीचर्स सेम है, जस्ट फ्रेगनेंस अलग है. सारी कैंडल्स 40 to 50 आवर्स के लिए चल जाएंगी एंड यू कैन जस्ट लाइट इट फॉर लाइक हाफ एन आवर एंड इट विल बी गुड फॉर नेक्स्ट 2-3 hours. यू डोंट हैव टू, इफ़ अगर आपके घर में गेस्ट आ रहे हैं या आप कोई भी पार्टी करना चाहते हैं, रिलैक्स करना चाहते हैं, तो आप ये कैंडल्स जला सकते हैं फॉर 20 से 30 मिनट के लिए एंड उसके बाद इसको बंद कर दीजिए. उसके बाद ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड बहुत अमेजिंग है, बहुत अच्छी फ्रेगनेंस है. दे आर वेरी, मतलब आई डू नॉट फील दैट आई एम एक्चुअली लाइटिंग अ कैंडल. कुछ कैंडल्स कैसे होते हैं ना कि वो आधे घंटे के लिए जलते हैं उसके बाद उसकी फ्रेगरेंस आधे घंटे के लिए आती है एंड उसके बाद आनी बंद हो जाती है. बट इनके साथ ऐसा नहीं है, ये बहुत 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 अच्छे है. इवन मैंने जो डैफोडिल वाली है वो तो ऑलमोस्ट आधी कर दी है, मगर फिर भी उसकी फ्रेगरेंस अभी भी उतनी ही स्ट्रॉन्ग है जितनी डे 1 पे थी. एंड दैट इज़ समथिंग दैट आई रियली लव अबाउट Bath and Body Works candles, that they are, they do not just put the fragrance on the top and sell it. They have actually mixed the oils and then they have made these candles, which make them really very unique and long lasting. So the next is this, which is whipped coffee. It is like totally coffee. Like people who love coffee can try this. It is nice. It is actually, I can also smell a pinch of vanilla in this, so I could say it is not only coffee, it is vanilla coffee for me at least. That's how I felt it. It is also for 2600 and I've got it for 1039. All the candles actually are for 2600 and I've got it for 1039, which is really a steal deal, because Bath and Body Works के candles अगर आप एक भी ले लोगे तो भी आपको, आई थिंक इट ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स ऑन कि आप उसको कितना देर चला रहे हैं, बट जनरली हम लोग 20 से 30 मिनट चलाते हैं, उसके बाद बंद कर देते हैं. तो हमारी ये कैंडल आई थिंक अगर हम रोज़ करें तो 2 हफ्ते तक तो चल जाएगी. आई थिंक आई हैव नॉट ट्राइड एवरी डे, सो आई डू नॉट नो, but that's my assumption. I've also purchased 2 more fragrances. First is rose. So this is my personal favorite. I'm a big fan of rose fragrances, and जहाँ पे मुझे रोज़ दिखता है मैं वो खरीद लेती हूँ, बिकॉज मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है रोज़ फ्रेगनेंसेस. सो दिस इज़ द 5th one actually. I've already showed you 4, yes. So the 6th one that I would like to show you is this, which is, मैं खुद ही भूल गई हूँ मैंने कौन से फ्रेगनेंसेस मंगाए थे. The 6th one is, yes, this is sea salt. I do not know why you people cannot see this. Yeah, this is sea salt. This is sea salt balsam. I do not know if I'm pronouncing it correct. It is made with essential oils, and yeah, it is also for 2600 and I've got it for 1039. And इसकी फ्रेगनेंस ऐसे ही जैसी you can also smell it in a hotel. जब आप किसी सी साइड होटल पे जाते हो तो उसकी जैसी फ्रेगनेंस वहाँ पे जैसी फ्रेगनेंस आती है ना, इट इज़ द सेम फ्रेगनेंस. इसके अंदर थोड़ा पिंच ऑफ स्वीटनेस है जो कि आई डू नॉट नो कि क्या है. आई एम स्टिल नॉट एबल टू फिगर इट आउट, but it is nice. It is really very nice, and I've also purchased these candles to give it, to gift it to my friends. So all these things are actually, all these candles are not only for me, so I will be just keeping like 3 or 4 of them, and rest of it I'll be gifting it to my friend. So yeah, so let's move to the next product, which is really not a candle. So these are the only 6 candles I have purchased. So I'm going to show all the Bath and Body Works products to you. This is a room freshener, and this is strawberry pound cake. I do not know if you can see this. Yes, you can. Yeah, this is concentrated room spray, and its original MRP is 699, but I think I've got it for around 300, which is, or maybe less. I'm going to list all the price over here for you. And this is amazing. The fragrance is really very sweet. It to me it feels like I am smelling a cake, a strawberry cake, and it is nice. I have actually tried it. I've sprayed it in my room and it actually lasted for 5-6 hours. So I feel that it is really a steal deal. And I do not know, I stay in Bangalore, and I do not know if we have a store of Bath and Body Works here. There's one store opening up in Whitefield. I do not know if it is opened or not. It's been 2 weeks that I've gone to the Phoenix Mall, and there was this coming soon board was there for Bath and Body Works. Rest, I think we do not have a store of Bath and Body Works, but all these products are available on Nykaa, and actually I've ordered these products from Bath and Body Works website, so you can also try that out if you're really willing to purchase. So I've also purchased one loofah. So I was actually getting it at a very, so I have actually used Bath and Body Works loofah before as well. So they're very soft. That's why I really liked it, and I got it at around 70% off. I think I've got it for 150 rupees, and that's the same price I even get it for a regular loofah that I pay for the regular loofah. So I thought I should really give it a try. I've tried once, I remember, right, like years ago, like 1 to 2 years ago, and it was great. So I thought I'll also give it a try again. And the next product I'm going to show you is actually a lotion. It's a lotion which is of orange and ginger. So one of my friend recently introduced me to this lotion. I think you can see this. Yes, it's very nice. Actually, I just used it once at her house and I really liked it, and I was actually getting it at a 60% off. So I thought I'll also purchase it, because any which ways Bangalore is like really dry. Generally in Delhi these days during July and August, I do not have to put lotion, but here in Bangalore it is really required to put lotion like almost every day whenever you take bath. So this is something that I've purchased. The bottle is of glass, and the price of this is 13.99, and I've got it at around 50 to 60% off. I am going to list the price here for you. So I've also purchased it from Bath and Body Works website से, and you can also give it a try. And अगर आप Bath and Body Works की website से लेंगे तो I think on 2500 worth के products पे आपको डिलीवरी भी फ्री मिल जाती है. अदरवाइज आई थिंक दे आर चार्जिंग अराउंड 150 रुपीज़ टू डिलीवर दी प्रोडक्ट्स. आई थिंक मेरा ऑर्डर ऑलरेडी 150 रुपीज़ हो गया था, तो आई वॉज नॉट वरीड अबाउट दैट. बट अगर आप इफ़ यू ओके टू पे डिलीवरी, यू कैन जस्ट ऑर्डर वन प्रोडक्ट एंड सी if you can, if you get inspired to buy any of the other products that I'm showing you, then you can also purchase them. So it also says that it is made with natural essential oils, that it is very fast absorbing body lotion, and it nourishes the skin because it also has shea butter and antioxidants. It has vitamin E, an antioxidant, which is also very good for your skin. And the tip that they have given with this product is that it can also be used for massaging. So if you guys are into massaging, and if you really like to massage your body on and off, then you can use this. I have not used this, so I do not know if it really works for massaging or not, but yes, as a lotion it is good. But yes, the product says it can also be used for massaging. So the next product I'm going to show you is it says Peaceful, and it is a tea tree and peppermint moisturizing body cream. It is also from Bath and Body Works. So I have actually used this before somewhere, I do not remember. It also says that it is a moisturizing body cream with essential natural oils. So it is also very non-greasy, rich, and provides 24-hour moisturizer. This I do not know if it really does all these things or not, but yes, one thing I'm sure of is that Bath and Body Works make good products, and their products are not bad, especially the candles and the lotion and everything. I've tried it multiple times, so I think it will be good. And it has tea tree and peppermint. The price it says is 1500, but I've actually got it at around 70% off, so I might have got it for around 499 or 399. Yeah, that's the beauty of the sale. So I've got everything at 70% off, so I've purchased it, I've stocked it, because as I told you, I'm actually regularly using it. Yeah, so I've also purchased it from Bath and Body Works website, so I have not purchased it from Nykaa, but you can also purchase these items from Nykaa, there's no problem. So next is this a very small cleansing hand gel that I purchased. It is eucalyptus and spearmint. So I was like missing this small sanitizer that I can keep it in my purse. I do not think I have to talk a lot about it, but yes, that's something that I've purchased. So I've also purchased one more room freshener, and it is sun drenched linen. I hope you can see this. Yes, I think it is like the hotel fragrance. I think yes, when you go to a 5-star hotel, you see, right, there's this particular fragrance that they have in their hotel, and especially in the rooms linen. This is the same fragrance. I could relate it to I could actually relate this to that fragrance, and it is also 699, but I've actually got it for 250 or 260 rupees at 70% off. So this is also the product that you can definitely purchase. if you are looking for some good room fresheners and you do not want to invest your money in buying candles, but candles का अपना मज़ा होता है. You know, I really love candles in my house, so that's why I've purchased. So next I'm going to move to some of the beauty products, some of the makeup products that I've purchased recently from Nykaa from the Hot Pink sale. So first is this Smashbox like matte pencil. It is this. I do not. Yes, I think I have to show it like this. Yeah. So this is for rupees 1950, but I think I have got it like really cheap, and I'm going to list the price here for you. And it is really nice. I've actually used this only today, so I think I've used this before as well, like multiple times. And this now I've purchased like the proper one for myself to use, and it also says you can wear it for 12 hours and it will stay as it is, and it is waterproof, sweat, humidity and smudge resistant. And you get actually a spoolie brush to blend it once you apply it, and it will not look as if you've just applied the brow pencil and you've just come to the party or wherever you're going. It will actually look very blended because of the spoolie. You can actually use it. So this is the first product in the makeup video. So next is, since it was like I've purchased most of them in the Nykaa Hot Pink sale, so I've also got good offers. So these three items I've actually got it together. So these three, first is the primer, Smashbox primer, this one, and this is, I'm also going to swatch it for you. It is stepping out. I think I have also, I was looking for the perfect brown color, like dark brown color, and I think it is the perfect dark brown color. I do not know if you can see this. That's how it actually looks. It is looking a little lighter on the camera, but it is a bit darker like this. Yes. And the liner pencil is also, wow, it is so smooth. Yeah, it is very smooth. It is like I just have to glide it and it just got glided on its own, so it's really very nice. So I've got all these three products together, and I think the price of these products was around 1600 to 1700 for all these three products. One is, you know, if you buy it individually, it will actually be really pricey for you, but if you buy it in a combo offer, then you really don't have to pay much. And also you get these small ones that you can also carry it in your purse. If I go for a full size lipstick, then it is really very long and I have to actually carry it. It is very thick as well, so it is like very purse friendly product. And even the liner is like too small and purse friendly. Even the primer, it is also very small only, so you can actually carry it in your makeup pouch when you're traveling. You can carry it in your purse. So, you know, but I have actually bought these products because I've got these two full-size lipsticks with it. First is the first one is Liquid Fire, and it is a beautiful color, and I didn't have any like a color like this in my lipstick collection. Then the second one is No Chill. It is also a very good neon pink color, and this is somewhere around maroonish and brown mixture, I would say. And these are also like non-smudge lipsticks, and these are like wonderful lipsticks. I do not have to say a lot about Smashbox. So Smashbox makes amazing colors and amazing quality lipsticks. So I've got these two as well, and the entire package actually costed me really cheap, which is 1650. So the next product which is coming up is this Bioderma yeah, it is for use for removing makeup, especially for the face and eyes. So I have actually got buy one get one from Nykaa from the Hot Pink sale. So I've just paid $9.90 for this, and I've also got this for free. So all these two products I have got it for $9.90, and if you buy it like not on a sale, then you just get one in $9.90. But since it was a sale going on, so I've got two, and it is around 250 ml for one. so total 500 ml, and I've actually used it. I can actually personally recommend this product to you. So the next product that I would like to talk about is, I think I've already spoken about this cream, I do not remember, in my video. So this is Clinique Moisture Surge 100 hours. So this is something that I have been using from like years, and I am a loyal customer of this product. Even, you know, I was so inspired by this product, and my liking for this product was so strong that even my husband started using it. So I've actually purchased this in the in the Hot Pink sale. Reason for that is that I've got this for free. It's their Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. It's a makeup remover. I actually wanted to use it from a very long time, but I was too afraid to try it. The original MRP of this cleansing balm is rupees, I'll tell you, it's I think around 890 rupees, but I have actually not paid for this, so I've got this for free. Any which way, you had to buy this, which is the moisturizing cream. Why is it not coming? Yes. So I've purchased, so I've got this as well. So I've just made this purchase. I've stocked it basically. So I've also got this for free. It's a small pouch that I've got with this. It's actually, it came as a combo for 3. Since I made a purchase, I've also got some small freebies, which is like Bioderma. I've seen a lot of people using this. I have not used it anytime, so I'm going to definitely give it a shot. It's a mini that I've got, and I have not paid anything for this. I've also got this something like this. Yes, it says photo finish from Smashbox. You can see it's so cute. It's so small, yeah. It's so cute. I can just put it in my makeup box. It is, I think, a primer that I've got. It's for free. And the next product is even I've got this small pouch from Nykaa. I do not know if I'll be using it anytime, and it also has an autograph of Janhvi Kapoor. I do not know if I'll be using it anytime or not, but yes, I have got it with my purchase from Nykaa. And I think this is it from my haul from Nykaa and Bath & Body Works. So I hope you enjoyed watching this haul, and I will definitely be putting up my reviews for these products very soon. As and when I'll start using them, I will definitely put some reviews on my Instagram page. So if you have not followed me on Instagram, please do that. So here is my Instagram handle. So, and also, yeah, there is this one vlog that I would really like to talk about, is that I have recently posted Wayanad vlog. So we just got a chance to visit Wayanad like a month ago, and I've put up my vlog for Wayanad. It is actually spread into 2 days, which is Wayanad day 1 and day 2. If you get time, please go and watch it. It is really fun. And if you really want me to make hauls and vlogs or travel vlogs, makeup videos, please do comment and let me know, so that I can create content like that, like according to what you would like to see. So yeah, this is it from my end. Thank you so much for giving me time and giving me your precious time. Thank you. Bye.